While the evidence in this case is legally sufficient for the police to have charged Mr. Lewandowski, it is not strong enough to meet the legal burden of a reasonable likelihood of a conviction. It is unethical for us to file cases when we believe there is not a good faith basis to proceed. It appears, based on the freeze frames from the video recording and an independent photograph taken by a Washington Post photographer, that Ms. Fields brushed or touched Mr. Trump's arm. He then appears to react to Ms. Fields by pulling his arm back and away from her, at which time Mr. Lewandowski reached forward and grabbed Ms. Fields' arm, pulling her away from Mr. Trump. According to an affidavit submitted by a former FBI agent, when tasked with the protection of a political candidate, Secret Service agents will create a protective bubble. It should be noted, however, that one agent was positioned directly behind Ms. Fields and appeared to show no concern over her actions. Mr. Lewandowski could have called this agent's attention to her movements before taking action himself if he considered her a threat. I know that they were working on one and they showed me a draft of an apology. I don't know the attorneys for the defendant.
Can you tell us what it said?
I would be paraphrasing it, but it was a short apology, and it's up to them to reach out to Ms. Fields and send it to her.
When did they show you?